Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Generation Unravel video. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make money out of Roblox. If you click on this video, I'm pretty sure you love Roblox a lot and you've probably been told by your mom to get off that game and go make money. But you start thinking, how can you make money while playing a game you're so addicted to? Well, worry not, little kid, just follow this tutorial and you'll be rich in no time. In this video, I'll be showing you skills that you can learn in order to make money by building in Roblox. If you have been playing Roblox for quite a while now, you probably have seen many experiences with great atmospheres and great builds. Well, what if I tell you they make money out of you playing those experiences? Yes. But well, don't frown, little kid, because you can also do it too. The first skill that you need to learn is lighting. Lighting is something that is found in the Roblox engine, meaning you already have the tool that you need for it. If you have been playing horror experiences from Roblox, you can see how lighting does so much in scaring your soul out. This thing is so important that without this, your experiences can just look wacky and bland. That is why many developers in Roblox have been hiring people who know how to do just this, and you might be the next. The second skill is modeling. Have you ever played Edward the People Killing Train? I don't know if that's the name, but what if I tell you if you make something like Edward here, or even a simple tree like in this game, you can earn money. All you need is the Roblox Studio, which I'm sure you already have. Amazing how much you can make from something that is so free, right? Third is UI design. If you have played a lot, you probably have seen a lot of different user interfaces just like this one. You can make these things out of Adobe Photoshop or even your simple Microsoft Paint. Yes, that one. And yes, you can make money out of it. So go learn it. Next, we have game design. Now listen, young one. This is something that needs you to use 100% of your brain. Yeah, like that meme. You have to learn how to make the game interesting for other people to play it. Yes, many of the Roblox experiences that you have played have these people working on them, and they are the reason you enjoy them so much. Fifth is we have programming. Yes, that programming. The Roblox engine uses Lua programming language, and programmers are the one that make sure your game works the way you want it to. These people are so important that they make good money out of it. So if you love Roblox and are interested in programming, go learn this one. Finally, the last skill I want to share is sound design. If you have played lots of Roblox experiences, especially horror games, you can see that sound design is done so well that it makes you feel like you're reliving your character's experiences. And it is because of this that you might not be able to sleep. So, that is all the skills that you need if you want to get good at making money at Roblox. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this one. This was Generation Unravel, and like one wise man said, do what you love and money will follow. But let me add that you need to do hard work as well. Bye bye!